Have you thought about your future lately? Career and technical education classes give you a head start on high-wage, high-skill job opportunities.
I'm ready to work.
I'm ready to work.
I'm ready to work.
I'm ready to work.
Banking and finance students study the relationships between business and money and practice real-world professionalism through a variety of experiences.
I feel like banking and financial services is something that applies to any job, no matter what.
It's important as an employee to know how a business is working and what you need to do to help that business thrive.
If you're like in the medical field, well, there's bills that come in and you need to know like banking and financing to be able to pay those and how it's going to benefit your company the best.
So start learning about checking, savings, like how the checks actually work rather than like we're putting money in the bank.
And we learned a lot about business professionalism and how to act.
No matter what career path you choose, there's going to be banking and financing. Money's everywhere, and everything that you do in life revolves around money.
All students start out in introductory courses that offer exposure to a wide range of activities and result in experience with real-world technology.
I think just being in high school and learning the basics and how to run a company is a great way to start.
Take Tech in the Workplace, which is the freshman course, and that just goes over the stuff on the computer. Like
You gain so many skills just from learning like Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. And in my class, we would always do projects through PowerPoint and make it fun.
And then after that, they can take Intro to Business and Banking and Finance. And that really goes into the inner workings of a business and how it works.
And one of the cool activities we do is called Career Connections. There's a bunch of local business leaders and community heads, and you do mock interviews with them. We knew like how to act, we knew what to say, and we got to practice giving an interview for a job.
Successful program completers leave with practical work experience and sometimes even industry certification.
We have the Titan branch, which is located in our school, and it's basically just like the credit unions you go to.
Different people come into the branch. It could be teachers or students, and sometimes they deposit different amounts of money.
We work there twice a week, and we manage the different schedules all together, like who's supervising, who's working.
In business management, we go to luncheons through the chamber.
And I've been able to meet CEOs and directors of education, directors and people who are higher up in businesses.
And you really get to see the outside of just the office, just how everyone interacts with each other.
And see what they're passionate about and how they got to where they are.
You really just learn that it's not all about you, you're helping others.
We do lots of things for Dornbecker's Children's Hospital. In the classroom, doing the behind the scenes of that fundraising. We learn how to deal with conflict because there's a lot of different ideas of the best way to sell, when to sell.
There's a difference between learning things from books and just seeing it than actually doing it and doing like the hands-on experience and getting to be an intern at a credit union.
Colleges and businesses look at a CTE student and see someone ready to build a brighter future.
I want to go to OSU, and I recently just got accepted, and I'm going to do business and digital communications. I would love to own my business, but if I don't, then just managing and being able to be involved in the behind the scenes of any business would be my ideal position.
I love it, and I'm planning on going to U of O next year and do business. I think it's helped me learn to kind of grow up and work on my own rather than asking someone to kind of hold your hand and work your way through it.
My dream job would probably be in business, at a CEO or a leadership level where I could apply the skills that I've learned.
Well, I've learned a lot of skills like cash handling, confidentiality, and just how to work with other people and interact. And I think that makes me more marketable to other businesses in the workforce.
Consider where you're going and participate in a career and technical ed program so someday soon you can say, I'm ready to work.